travel experiences from around the world. Having spent 7 great days in Iceland, we took the ferry to the Faroe Islands, a cluster of 18 islands with 48,000 inhabitants situated in the Atlantic Ocean between Scotland, Norway, and Iceland. Of the 18 islands, 17 are inhabited. They are joined by bridges, underwater tunnels, or by way of ship. We visited the 5 largest that are interconnected with roads. Our base is at the capital of the Faroe Islands, Tórshavn, a city of 12,500 inhabitants located on Streymoy Island. It is the largest and most populated of all the islands. Tórshavn means harbor of Thor, where Thor is the god of thunder and lightning in German and Scandinavian mythology. For most of our time here, the weather was dull and rainy. The landscape is barren but green, and much like in Iceland, there are many waterfalls. On our first day, we visited Víðareyri, the northern village of the complex, at a distance of 94 kilometers from Tórshavn. Upon our return, we stopped in Glasvik, the second largest city in the Faroe Islands. We were impressed by a huge underwater tunnel of 6,300 meters long, which connects the islands Eysturoy and Bordeaux. It's a ride into the depths of the earth which seems almost endless. The first day of our journey ends in Zey, the most famous village in the Faroe Islands. It's a very small and beautiful settlement with about 50 residents. The name means canyon and comes from the natural bay and the canyon created in the northern part of the village. On this day, it rained a lot, and combined with the strong wind in several parts, riding was difficult. The next day, we visited Gásadalur as we wanted to see this waterfall, which supposedly is a great place to take photographs. The distance from Tórshavn is 58 kilometers, and this time the weather is on our side. The landscape in Gásadalur is beautiful, but having seen so many large waterfalls in Iceland, this didn't really impress us. But here we had the opportunity to see some puffins, a kind of seabird with bright colors that dives into the water in order to eat. We begin our return to Tórshavn, and after 10 kilometers we will take a detour to see Sørvágur, the largest village on Vágar Island. After Sørvágur, we went back to Streymoy Island and moved north towards Vestmanna. It's our last destination in the Faroe Islands, and from here we will return to the capital to take the boat back to Denmark.